Guys, I'm going to share my screen with you to help you know how to do the Desmos activity. So when you go to your 7th grade class and you go to agenda, you'll see down here it says Desmos Activity Laser Challenge. When you click on that, it will take you to a login screen. When you're on your login screen, make sure that you type some version of your name that I'll recognize. It doesn't have to be your complete name, but if you have a name that's a common name, put your last initial or something like that. Don't put something silly that I won't know it's you. Okay, when you come into Desmos, it's going to have you work through multiple problems, and as you go to each screen, you'll hit next up here at the top. There's no save button, there's no submit button. As you work through them, it automatically saves, just kind of like Google does, and then it pops up on my screen. So sometimes when in the classroom, we'll all work on it at the same time, and I can see on my screen exactly what you guys are doing. Okay, so you have you have two jobs, I guess, in each slide. So you can move your laser or you can move your mirror. And you're going to click over here in these boxes, and you'll have the option of typing something new. So if I wanted to change the angle of my laser, right now it's a red line, I'm going to take off 45, and I'm going to type, I don't know, 60. When I hit enter, it changed that laser so it was higher up. I also can change my mirror. If I wanted my mirror changed, I would click right here. Okay, so let's go back to the laser in the meantime though, because what the laser needs to do is it needs to take this red line and make it bounce off of this mirror, and it needs to hit all three of these blue dots. So if I change my laser just a little bit more, to 75, it's getting closer and closer to that mirror. So I want it to be able to come up here into the mirror and then bounce off and hit these. Now, on some screens, you may want to change both the laser and the mirror. At the very beginning, you're likely only going to be changing one of the two. And your huge hint on this one is leave the mirror where it is and change the laser. When you are finished with this screen and you've made the red laser go through all three of the blue points, you just simply click next, and it will automatically save that, as I said. And once you click next, mine's still loading, you'll have a new screen that pops up and a new set of laser and mirror numbers that you'll need to change. This time my laser is all the way over here. I need to make it bounce into this mirror and get all three of those dots. When you are all finished, there is a challenge level at the very end that you can do to challenge your classmates. So anything that one of you loads in here in the challenge, someone else can see that that challenge you've loaded. Let me know if you have further questions on this.